How to fix user not found on Instagram. This usually happens when the account is deleted, deactivated, the username is changed, or you've been blocked. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Blocked. Check if the person is in your blocked list. If they are, tap Unblock, then confirm it by tapping Unblock again. Next, go back and use the search bar to look for the username again. Search for the name of a person. If the account still doesn't appear, it could be due to a temporary glitch or app issue. In that case, go back to your profile and open the menu again. Scroll down and tap Log Out, and again confirm by tapping Log Out again. After logging out, update Instagram from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once updated, restart your phone, then log back into Instagram and try searching again. In many cases, this fixes temporary bugs and loading issues that cause the user not found error. And that's how you can fix the Instagram user not found problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, tricks, and tutorials like this.